In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom outreach campaign with Apollo.io. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to refine your strategy, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started and build a campaign that drives results. And stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing how you can use Apollo.io for free with an exclusive bonus for viewers. When it comes to outbound sales and lead generation, Apollo.io is a powerhouse tool. It's not just a simple CRM, it's a complete outreach platform allowing you to find prospects, track engagement, and most importantly, automate your outreach. Setting up your first custom outreach campaign might feel overwhelming, but I'll break it down for you so you can dive right in. The first step is to define your target audience. With Apollo.io, you have access to an extensive database of over 200 million professionals. You can filter based on job title, company size, industry, and more. To start, go to the prospects section, where you'll build a custom list. Select your filters carefully. For example, if you're targeting marketing directors at mid-sized tech companies, you can set filters that match exactly that. The more specific you get, the more effective your outreach will be. Once your target list is built, it's time to create your outreach sequence. Apollo.io allows you to set up multi-step email sequences with ease. Start by clicking on Campaigns in the main dashboard and create a new campaign. You'll be able to add a sequence of emails or even integrate calls, follow-ups, and tasks within your outreach strategy. Make sure your subject lines are engaging but concise. You want to capture their attention without being spammy. Keep your tone personalized as Apollo.io gives you dynamic fields to customize each email to your prospect's name, company, and more. After setting up your email sequence, don't forget to add your follow-up strategy, Apollo.io lets you schedule follow-ups in a sequence to ensure you're consistently staying top of mind. The follow-ups should be spaced out over several days and tailored to different scenarios, whether it's a reminder or an entirely new angle. You can even set conditions for these follow-ups, so if a prospect opens but doesn't reply, the system can automatically send them a different follow-up. Now let's talk about automation. One of the best features of Apollo.io is the ability to automate your outreach completely. After setting up your sequence and follow-ups, you can let Apollo.io handle the sending. Just schedule the sequence to start, and the platform will automatically send your messages based on the time frame you've chosen. You can track every interaction, whether they opened your email, clicked on a link, or replied, and adjust your strategy accordingly. But it doesn't stop there. Apollo.io provides powerful analytics. After your campaign is running, you'll want to dive into your metrics to see how things are going. Check your open rates, click-through rates, and replies, all in real time. If you notice a certain subject line or approach is working well, you can duplicate the campaign or tweak it to optimize future results. Now, before I wrap up, here's the exciting part. You can use Apollo.io completely free through the link in the description below. And we've even secured an exclusive extended free trial just for you. That means you can explore all these features without paying a dime and start building your custom outreach campaigns right away. To sum up, Apollo.io makes creating custom outreach campaigns simple and efficient. You can define your target audience, create personalized email sequences, automate everything, and track your results with ease. Start leveraging these powerful features today by checking out the exclusive offer in the description. Happy outreach!